¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estáis? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is the second day of my flamenco dance challenge for bulerias. Yesterday we have done how to enter and stay, marcando, and then llamada and remate, and how you get out from there. Yeah, another llamada we call the cantador, and then we go. Today's video, instead of going, we're gonna stay for another letra, and then we're gonna do remate. Please subscribe my channel if you want to learn with me. I'm sharing my experience and struggle and the things that I wish I knew when I started flamenco, because I had a lot of confusion. I didn't know all the structure, and if I knew, I could improve a lot more faster. So if you want to take your videos how you get on with my bulerias 5-day challenge, put it on my Facebook page and you will win a private lessons online with me. Nos vamos. Okay, so firstly we're gonna brush up what we did yesterday. For the first letra, and when we finish, either there are 3 cases that it could happen. One, singer's not gonna sing. Second, singer is gonna sing. And third, singer is gonna sing the songs to go off. So, to improvise, you have to adapt it, you have to understand. But I will explain to you how we can manage anything that it comes. So today I'm gonna explain to you, number 1, just in case the singer doesn't sing, what we can do. Anyway, we say that we wanna dance for the second letra. So that's good, yeah? So when we finish, we're gonna do marcaje, yeah? We are going to do the marcaje and wait that, come on, I haven't finished. I want to dance one more, okay? Let's look at it together, slowly. I'm gonna do from the first one and the llamada y remate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y tan, 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 tan. Y tan, tan. And marcaje, and we're gonna wait. Come on, I wanna dance, and I wanna dance, and the singer's gonna sing something. Did you see how I enter? So normally singer is gonna sing the song. It goes, the first one was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yesterday one 7, 8, 9. Que vas a hacer con Dios? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There will be a hole. There will be a hole that you can do remate or you can start dancing. And again, we were waiting. And yesterday we started from there, but today we are going to do a remate when there is a hole. We waited for the letra. That's the intention and that's how we communicate. Yeah, and then the singer starts today. 2, 3, 4, 9. Me duele, me duele. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's where we have a hole, and that's what you can do is remate again. Okay, so the remate is 7, 8, 9. And you can here. Bam, bim, bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Important to start and be in there. So, again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Me duele, me duele. Me duele. 1, 2, 1, 2. Baby, pa, pa, pa. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Papi, pa, pa, pa. So it's nice because we go with the singers, yeah. So all together until there. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ay, basaste. Dios, a ti nadie te querí. Oh, como te camando. Yo, llamada y pam, pam, pam. Tiki, 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 pi, remate. Y tiki, tiki. Come on, vámonos, singers. Everyone sing. Come on, sing. And give the impression, okay? So that they will understand. Me duele, me duele. 1, 2. Papi, pa, pa, pa. Me duele, duele. Ay, boquita de decir de flamenco sin que le llamada. Papi, pa, ta, ta, pa. Papi, papi, pa. So hot. It's so hot there. I can't be on a barefoot. But neighbors gonna complain if I put zapatos, digo. And I was here when there is no much sun. My daughter was like, and I couldn't finish the video. So, okay, let's do it together again, all together. Con Dios, a ti nadie te quiere, como te cambia. Yo, pam, 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 tiki, 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 pam, tiki, tiki, come on, give the leg, come on. You stay and tell them that the things, the intention, you wait until they start anyway, so you can do marcaje and waiting. Sorry. Me duele, me duele, 1, 2, taca, tan, tin, taca, pim, pam, pi, pa, pa, pa. Ay, boquita. You can do any marcaje. Flamenco quiere llamada. Pam, 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 pam. Ta, ti, ta, 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 pam, pam, pam. Ta, ti, ta, ti. Pa. One more all together. You can see my footwork. And then if you have any questions, let me know on comment. And because this is a 5-day challenge, I'm gonna be here tomorrow as well. If you may comment any questions in time, I might be able to answer it in the video. Amalia. Ay, basaste con Dios. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Basaste con Dios. A ti nadie te quería. Oh, como te cambié. Yo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pa, ta, 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 y ta, pa. Flamenco situ. Yeah. It's burning. Okay. Today is until here.